Trust takes years to build, seconds to break, and a lifetime to repair. Hi, I'm Meghna. I'm a psychologist, and today we're going to deep dive into $1 million question. Can trust ever really be rebuilt after it's shattered? The truth is, yes, it can. And I'll be giving you a step by step roadmap of how to get there. But before we jump into the steps, let's talk about why betrayal feels so devastating. Trust is made up of three things: reliability, honesty, and emotional safety. And when betrayal happens, that foundation gets rocked. We start questioning everything. Can I believe you? Can I count on you? Am I safe with you? It's intense, but there's hope. Okay, step one: open communication. And I don't mean a quick chat or an apology text. We're talking real communication here: transparency, vulnerability, and honesty. No secrets or hidden details. This is the part where you get raw and leave everything out on the table. Why? Because the only way to build trust is with the full truth. You can't rebuild on half truths. Here's a practical tip: set aside specific times to talk about it. Trust me, this stops things from popping up out of the blue and ruining your day. Scheduled time gives you space to share without it taking over your whole day. Alright, next up is the big one: taking responsibility. If you're the one that broke the trust, then this one is for you. And yes, it is as hard as it sounds. Owning up means no excuses, no deflecting, and no blaming anyone else. It's about saying, I messed up and here's how I'm going to fix it. You don't just say, I'm sorry if I hurt you. Instead, say, I know I hurt you and I understand why that hurts. Acknowledging the pain helps the other person feel seen and understood, and that's huge for healing. Let's talk action. Step 3: rebuilding through small acts. Here's the deal: trust isn't some grand romantic gesture, it's the little things. Consistency in everyday actions is what really counts. Think of it like rebuilding a bridge one day at a time. Every small act of reliability, showing up on time, keeping promises, following through, adds a brick. And over time, that bridge of trust gets stronger and stronger. Now for step 4: setting new boundaries. Picture boundaries as guardrails of your relationship. They are there to keep both people feeling safe. After betrayal, setting these guardrails becomes essential. This means sitting down and talking about what each person needs to feel secure. Maybe that's sharing phone passwords or committing to a weekly check-in. Whatever it is, make sure it's clear and mutual. Both people should feel respected and safe. Okay, now this one is something a lot of people shy away from: seeking professional help. Therapy, counseling, call it what you like. It's a structured playground where you can work through all this stuff in a safe and guided way. And let me say this: going to therapy isn't a sign of failure. It's actually a huge commitment to each other. A therapist can help you both unpack the betrayal, get rid of the root issues, and help you build tools to prevent this from happening again. Finally, step 6: patience and forgiveness. This is the part where you take a deep breath, because rebuilding trust isn't an overnight job. It's a process that requires time, patience, and a whole lot of effort from both sides. And remember, forgiveness doesn't mean forgetting, and it doesn't mean rushing and acting like everything is fine. It means choosing to let go of resentment once it's been earned. It's a final step in a journey, not a shortcut. So there you have it, the step-by-step guide to rebuilding trust after betrayal. Remember, trust can be rebuilt. It's a tough road, but if both people are committed, it can actually lead to a stronger and more honest relationship. If you are going through this, take it one step at a time. Be patient with yourselves and keep communication open. And if this video helped, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button for more insights into building healthy and resilient relationships. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.